Hi, I'm David Hauser, owner of Morningstar Doors and Windows, and today we're bringing you a how-to. Make sure to subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Morningstar Doors and Windows. If you like this, hit the like button and leave a comment. This is going to be a tutorial on how to remove a sash. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the Provia casement. They recently changed their hardware from one mechanism to another. It's like the weather shield, but a little different than the wind core. So they have these clips here. These you can just kind of use a slotted screwdriver or even with your nail. Loosen them up and this will pop right out. So when you tighten, it comes out. When you loosen, it comes back in. Very simple. So you're just going to want to set this to the side. Now we're going to unlock it similar to the weather shield. There's a clip here that'll lock it in place and you kind of put that back down. So we're going to want to open this up. And again, just like we saw with the others, have a helper. You might need to have somebody get out on a ladder. I'm going to pretend to be on the outside. Okay. So we're going to want to open this up as much as we can to allow for access to the mechanisms. First thing we're going to do is pop this one pin here. Okay. Next thing is over here. There's this little metal clip. And we're going to need to pop this towards yourself and then pull that down. Okay. Now we're going to do the top. Always keep a hand on the window as you're doing this. Okay. And then the last one is in the corner over here. There's another little clip. You're going to pop this out and then this will come up. You're going to set those aside and then this will come straight out. Pretty simple on this one. Okay, so to get this back in, you're going to need to take the shoe, slide it up into this little track here. So it's sliding back and forth. Once you slide it into the track, I'd recommend doing this top one first. Give that a bang, and this one on the bottom. Set that into the pin. Bang that in. Okay, now that you have that, you can kind of take a breather, and all you got to do is hook up this. Okay? So the first thing is bring this over, set the pin in there, slide this over, and you might need a little tool or something to bang it until you feel the clip, just like that. And then we have this other pin on the bottom. We need to line it up with this mechanism here. Basically just set it where you put it into the hole and then push this over and you're done.